please welcome Foodgod.
What's up, guys?
First of all, you were supposed to go back to LA, but you stopped, took all your tests here at Wendy, and you wanted to be here.
Got up at 6 a.m. I felt like, you know what? I had to be here in person. I'm sick of the Zoom stuff. It's like, we need to get back to life, and I literally changed my flight. I'm leaving right after this, but I had to come see you. I'm not giving that up. I'm not giving that up for a computer.
Shoe cam, please.
Oh. Oh, there we go.
Style. I love it.
Thank you.
Truffle ketchup.
What? Yep, my new product, my first product, Foodgod Truffle Ketchup. I'm so excited. Worked on it for about a year. It's all natural and gluten-free, and people are addicted to it. It's become viral, and the smell of it alone. Oh, here it is. Those fries are good. Whoever picked these fries, thank you. Wow, perfect crispiness, perfect color.
Mmm. Oh my gosh.
I smell the same reaction I get all the time. Kids are loving this, everybody. It's white truffles, it's gluten-free, it's organic, very little sugar. And you know what? I wanted to change ketchup, and this was it. I mean, look at this bottle. I wanted it to look like, this was like my version of an Oscar as my first product.
It's very fancy.
It's fancy. People need some fanciness and fun stuff in their life, and a spicy steak sauce is next, all truffle. I know you like spicy, and I know you like steak, because we've had it together.
Oh, Jonathan, you've done it again. Oh, Foodgod.
Thank you.
Foodgod.
Thank you.
And by the way, I like your new neck tattoo.
Oh, can you see it over here? Here it is, guys. Yeah, so after...
What does it say?
It's an F with a knife and a fork and a spoon. During quarantine, I've been dying to get this tattoo, and like when we kind of got out of that quarantine, I flew to New York, and John Boy kind of met me, and we went over this, and we decided on what this is going to be. I kept him for 5 hours, literally, to decide what part of the neck. We tried it all over the place, and I figured, you know what, like, life is short, and I just wanted to get a tattoo on my neck. And
you're a genius unto yourself. Thank you for being here.
Thank you, guys. Thank you. Thank you.
Have a safe flight back. For more information on the truffle ketchup, go to wendyshow.com. This is real good.